The heat is something else, abeg. You wash something and put it to dry under the sun. My dear, under 2 seconds your clothes don't dry. Go remove them. Who has noticed the heat in this Nigeria? Like, the heat is something else, abeg. No, or maybe it's just Calabar. For those of you that don't know, I'm currently in Calabar, Nigeria, and the heat is crazy. If you wash something and put it to dry under the sun, my dear, under 2 seconds your clothes don't dry. Go remove them. Anyways, welcome back to my channel. You guys, I'm so happy and grateful with the kind of love that I've been getting on my videos. You guys are the absolute best. On that note, if you're watching this and you're not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel and give this channel a big thumbs up. I'm also wearing my shirt from the Crocs video. If you haven't watched this video, you need to go and watch it so you understand what we are talking about. The OGs know these things, they know this story. And this t-shirt I got from the Crocs, that I won from Crocs, it's so light, it's so, in fact, the comfort is, and I've been getting compliments on it actually. So far I've been enjoying my t-shirts. So let's get right into today's video. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make your own popcorn at home.
Wow!
Yes, you heard me right. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make your popcorn at home with sugar. Okay, so people don't like sugar, but this one is going to be with sugar. So if you want a tutorial on how to make popcorn without sugar, let me know. Adding sugar to your popcorn takes your popcorn game to a whole new level. If you didn't know that, know that now. Some people even add milk to their popcorn, so tell me why you won't add sugar and milk to yours. So this video is for making popcorn with sugar at home. Yes, it's time to say goodbye to your popcorn vendor. It's time to say goodbye to your popcorn vendor. Okay, they've been eating your money for so long. It's okay, time for you to save that money and make your own popcorn to your own taste at home. Okay, you guys are going to be following me to the market to shop for the popcorn seeds. Let's go.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy, and silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough, nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough, nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. sucks when you finally feel like giving up. Oh God, no luck. Everything feels like you're sticky stuck. I'm lost, handcuffed to the bed where I sleep. Don't give a fuck, can't stop. Unplug, feeling overwhelmed. I think I've had enough. Gotta find a way to get some energy. Gotta find someone who's a good friend of me. I need purpose to make it all worth it. I'm still searching and I'm still learning. I want a life that's filled with memories, not a life with regret in front of me. I need focus to keep me from hopeless psychosis if I keep moping. I got nightmares in my head. I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head. I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere.
Okay, so these are the 3 simple ingredients we'll be using to make our homemade popcorn: groundnut oil, sugar, and the corn seeds we just got from the market. Some people prefer to use butter, but I personally like groundnut oil, so you can choose to use coconut oil, olive oil, whatever suits you. The first step is to get a dry pot and heat it up on medium heat. This is me just checking to be sure that my pot is dry, and then going in with my groundnut oil in the pot. Like I said earlier, you can use any oil of your choice, and then I'm spreading the oil evenly and checking if it's enough for my corn seeds. I'm going to add more oil that will accommodate the quantity of corn seeds I want to pop. The next step is to add sugar to your taste into the pot of oil. Some people like their popcorn very sugary, some people do not. So if you need a video on how to make popcorn with 0 sugar, let me know, because there are people who are watching diabetes, but that doesn't mean you cannot have popcorn. You can eat popcorn, okay? So finally, we are going in with our popcorn seeds, the main star of the show. So by now your oil should be hot and you just pour that in. Please make sure your heat is on medium because you do not want your popcorn to burn. So I'm just going to stir this a little bit so that the sugar, the oil, and the corn and every can mix properly, and then I'm going to leave it on the fire, and that's it. You should start to hear the popping sounds now. I'm shaking the pot occasionally and also reducing the flame so the popcorn under won't. Are you ready to see the results? Wait for it. Ooh, our popcorn is finally ready. Enjoy!